Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Safepal Wallet to Binance. For that, first of all, simply launch your Safepal Wallet. Then you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to send from your Safepal Wallet. For example, let's say I want to send Ethereum. So after tapping on the cryptocurrency, simply select the option of send. Then you will be shown this type of page in front of you where you need to fill out all of these details. First of all, since we want to send Ethereum, so Ethereum is selected here. Now in the to section, you need to paste the deposit address. So in order to get this address, simply launch your Binance application. Then you need to log in into your account. Now if you don't have a Binance account yet, you can just use the links that are given in the description. It is going to give you extra perks and extra bonuses when you sign up. So once you are inside your Binance account, tap on the option of assets in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on the option of spot. Over here, select the option of add funds, then select the option of on chain deposit. After that, select Ethereum and select the ERC20 network, because for Ethereum you need to select the ERC20 networks. Then it is going to show you the QR code and the deposit address in front of you. So you need to copy that address from here, then come back in your Safepal wallet and paste that address here in this section. Here you can see, please ensure that the receiving address supports the ERC20 network. So make sure that it is ERC20 network selected in your Binance account. After that, enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send from here, then press next here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to review your details and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed from the Safepal wallet, you are going to get the crypto in your Binance account within just 5 to 10 minutes. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.